how you doing? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be testing out and reviewing another crazy trending product on social media. But before we go ahead and reveal what that is, go ahead, hit that subscribe button for me. So today I am going to be testing out and reviewing the As Seen on TV Instant Smile. So this product advertised that you're going to get $1 million smile instantly. So it's basically a reusable, a removable veneer that's supposed to give you a perfect set of teeth. So on the box, it does show some before and after pictures. So this picture here, it's the front teeth are missing and supposedly it's supposed to cover that up and give you the perfect smile. And then there's some more before and after on the back as well. So here is what the pamphlet says that comes inside of the package. Do not use tobacco products while wearing the perfect smile. Avoid hot beverages while wearing the perfect smile. Do not eat while wearing the perfect smile. Perfect smile is not intended for use over braces or retainers. You must remove the perfect smile while sleeping. Do not wear the perfect smile if it is damaged in any way. Do not wear a perfect smile if you have any cuts or any other types of irritation on the inside of your mouth. Perfect smile is not a toy and should not be used by children. Do not substitute perfect smile for a mouth guard. Do not wear perfect smile while playing sports or doing strenuous activities. Do not wear perfect smile for longer than 8 hours at a time. So they say that this product is good because it's for millions of people who simply can't afford expensive dental work. Then the perfect smile is an affordable way to look better and restore your confidence. The instructions for the instant smile, it says custom fit perfect smile veneers in 3 easy steps. So step 1 is you are to place the perfect smile in boiling water for 2 minutes. Then you press firmly against your teeth for a perfect custom fit, and then you show off your $1 million smile. So I'm going to go boil some water and I'll be right back. So I have taken the teeth out of the package and this is what it looks like. So you're to put this in boiling water, and when the impression material on the back of the teeth becomes clear and soft, that's when it's ready, and you just use a fork or spoon to remove it out of the water. Okay, so I've gone ahead and boiled some water. So I'm going to now stick the teeth in the hot water. Now I'm just waiting for that back part to go clear, and then it's ready. So it says you're supposed to leave it in for 2 minutes. Okay, so it's gone ahead and turned clear, so I'm just going to use a fork to scoop that out. Now, because it is still hot, it says to wait about 10 to 15 seconds before placing it on your teeth. So what you do is you press it on, and this is just going to create the mold. Here we go! Oh my god! So I'm just letting it sit on so that it creates the shape that I need. And then I'm supposed to remove this. So now you're supposed to place it into a glass of cold water. So my impression material has hardened. So as you can see on the back, it has the impressions of my teeth now. However, from the front, I do have some excess impression material hanging over. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to cut that off or if it just gets hidden under my lip. I'm not quite sure. It doesn't specify that in the instructions. Okay, so I'm ready to try out the veneers. I'm a little bit scared. I don't know how they're going to stick to your teeth and stay on. How embarrassing would that be if you're talking to somebody and then they just fall out? Oh god. Okay, anyways, let's go. They're not really sticking.
I look like a fucking idiot. Oh my god.
Okay, I can't get this to actually stick on. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Either way, I look like a complete idiot. I look fucked up. think I should use this as a man repellent when I go out to a club. Hey, how you doing? So overall, I'm a little disappointed with this product. I was hoping it would actually work. Clearly it did not adhere to my teeth or stick on properly, it just kept falling out. I also found that it was really oversized for my mouth, but I do have a really tiny mouth, so honestly I think this product would be good generally for someone who just wants to restore their confidence and use it for maybe like a photo, because other than that I can't see myself or anyone walking around with this in public and it falling out. And you can't really talk properly with it in either. It would kind of give you a bit of a lisp. If any of you have actually tried this product out and it did work, please comment down below, let me know, or send me some pictures, tag me on Instagram. I would love to see. I will put a link down below where you can purchase the Perfect Smile. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Check out some of my latest videos, and I'll see you guys next time.